For today's trading, I have selected two stocks, Hindalco and Infosys. So let us start with Hindalco. So reason for selecting this stock is that there was a clear sign of trend reversal yesterday when I was trading in this stock. So automatically this stock came in my watch list, and because of that and because of already the analysis done, I have included this stock in my watch list and waiting for confirmation of trend reversal. So you can clearly see a nice head and shoulders pattern that was formed yesterday, and we were the part of it. And after that, this stock has started creating and ascending triangle where you can clearly see lower highs are getting created. So first high it was created in the morning yesterday, second high, third high, fourth high and fifth high. And if you can see clearly, then multiple times this level is getting tested. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So actually the standard is only three times, but still we are here we have got six times. So how strong this confirmation was. So skipping this kind of trend, that means you will actually ignoring the opportunity. So for me, I have started waiting for a breakout of this particular trend line. So as soon as breakout came, I entered in this stock, and on 255, I just exited on 285 point, sorry, 485.50. So around 1 is to 2.5, I booked a risk reward ratio. So there was not much, actually the work is done because the work analysis was already done yesterday. So it was just the extension of that. So this is about the Hindalco. Now coming to Infosys. Again, existing uptrend, strong and lengthy build-up. That means we are waiting for downtrend, but that didn't come. So, and in the previous trading session, there was a breakout of this build-up in the upward direction. So basically, the it was a sign of momentum shifting. So I was waiting for a buy trade in this stock, and I also entered in the buy and actually booked the loss in the Infosys today because here suppliers are already available. So heavy selling came and it just hit my stop loss. So in Hindalco I booked profit, and in Infosys I booked loss. And after that, you can clearly see the stock was not going down. Again, a very strong and lengthy buildup is getting formed. So again, for next trading session, this stock may be in a high, maybe in a demanding, or it will be a high volatile stock for tomorrow. So again, I'm repeating. Reason for selecting this stock is this strong existing downtrend in 5-minute chart. Very lengthy and long buildup was formed, and this buildup was actually actually was broken in the upward direction with a heavy volume, and again it was actually kind of retesting was done. So indication of momentum shifting in this stock. So when the market was opening in the morning, when the market was open, so I started waiting for a buy call. So I entered and booked the loss. My analysis went wrong for this stock today, but yes, you need to follow the price action and the rules every time. You cannot be correct. So let the market decide whether it will give you risk, sorry, whether it will give you loss or profit. So you just need to implement your skills. So this is all about today's today's trade. Please like, share and subscribe if you find my video and my analysis is good for you, and if it is helping you, to learn the price action. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Keep trading. Bye.